In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Perplexity to craft effective business strategies tailored to your unique needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Perplexity AI. Once you're there, make sure to log in with your credentials. If you're here for the first time, you might need to create an account. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you can get started with minimal hassle. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the search bar prominently displayed on the site. This is where the magic begins. Consider what information you need to propel your business forward. You might type in something like, create a growth strategy for a small online clothing store, or perhaps suggest ways to expand my coffee shop into new markets. The key here is to be clear and specific about your request so that the AI can tailor its suggestions precisely to your needs. While you're typing your request, be sure to include relevant specifics about your business. Consider mentioning your business type, its size, and your target audience. For example, are you a local coffee shop aiming to tap into digital sales or a niche clothing brand targeting environmentally conscious millennials? Don't forget to include current challenges or goals you hope to achieve. Maybe you're striving to increase sales, expand to new locations, or improve your branding in the marketplace. Additionally, be honest about any constraints you may have, like budgetary or resource limitations. This will help the AI generate strategies that are not only creative but also feasible given your current situation. Once you hit enter, take a moment to review the suggestions offered by Perplexity. This initial set of ideas might include potential pathways you've not yet considered, as well as fresh perspectives on achieving your goals. Now, it's perfectly normal if the first set of suggestions isn't quite what you're looking for, or if you feel there's still room for refinement. Use follow-up prompts to dig deeper. You might ask for low-cost marketing ideas if you're operating with a tight budget, or prompt the tool to focus on digital strategies for a limited budget if expanding your online presence is a priority. If you're in need of more concrete steps to start taking immediately, request a 3-month action plan to provide structure to your approach. Finally, once you're satisfied with the strategy that's come together, ensure you save or copy the final version for your reference. Having easy access to this document will be crucial for its implementation and for tracking your progress as your plans unfold. And that's it. You've successfully used Perplexity.ai to create a customized business strategy. With these steps, you're well on your way to making informed decisions that align closely with your business objectives. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide sets you on the path to achieving your desired outcomes. Remember, the best strategies are those that evolve with your business, so feel free to revisit and refine as often as needed.